We seem to be having a misfire on cylinder 2. On startup and idle, you can clearly hear and see the misfire. You can hear the idle is quite erratic, and you can physically see that the engine is misfiring. We'll start off by removing the coil pack on cylinder 2 while the vehicle is idle to see if we've got fire. If this tinkle knocking sound indicates that the coil pack is firing, and thus the fault is with the spark plug or the fuel injector. We'll start off by removing the easiest of the two, which is the spark plug. In order to get to it, we'll need to remove the coil pack. You'll need to unplug the plug using this little clip on the underside. When pressing it in, it should slide right off the coil pack. Next, we'll need a 16mm tube socket to remove the spark plug. It's quite clear that this spark plug has in fact failed. It's got a lot of carbon buildup, and thus it is not firing. We'll do a simple test. You'll need some sandpaper to sand down all the carbon buildup on the spark plug itself. You'll need to sand it down until you can see the bare silver metal exposed once again. We'll also make use of some thinners in order to clean it out properly. The difference on the spark plug is easily seen. It is now quite clean and should fire a little better. Simply reinstall the spark plug and fit back the coil pack. We will now start the vehicle and see if it's made any difference on idle. The engine is already idling considerably better. On acceleration, you can see that there is no misfire.